Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two-part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 9, Electricity and Light. Video Part 2, Question number 21. Bulging outward surface of a spoon is bulging outward. This is the bulging outward and this is the inside of the spoon. So inside is known as concave and the bulging outward is known as convex. जो बाहर आ रहा है that is your convex. 21 answer is option B. Question number 22. Dash is used in car headlight to reflect the light of the bulb. So in the car headlight, we use concave mirror. Why? Because if the light is coming from it, suppose this is the light source and it is just moving to the mirror surface, and then this will just move like this. So it will reflect such that the more space can be visible with the small light. That's why we use concave mirror. Okay. The 22nd answer is option A. Okay. Question number 23. If an object is placed between focus and pole, this is your focus, this is your pole, of a concave mirror, then the image formed will be, if we place an object between focus and pole, you can see the image will be formed behind the mirror and it will be magnified, means bigger than the actual size, and it will be erect also. So magnified and erect, option C. 23rd answer will be your option C. Question number 24. A dentist uses dash to see the magnified image of teeth. So dentist use concave mirror because the picture is erect in it and magnified also, as we have seen in the previous question, 23rd question. The 24th answer will be option C. Question number 25. Image formed by a plane mirror is. So by a plane mirror, image will be virtual and it will be erect. It is equal to the size of the object and at a equal distance from the mirror also. So here inverted and virtual, no. Virtual and erect, yes. So 25th answer will be option B. Question number 26. A virtual, erect and magnified image is obtained by a concave mirror. So by a concave mirror, so you can see we have solved this in 23rd question also. If object is placed between focus and pole, so it will be magnified and erect. The same question is again asked in other language. Okay. So what will be your answer? 26th answer will be at a distance less than the focal length. Less than the focal length. So option C. 26th answer is option C. Question number 27. Distance from the focus to the center of lens. From the focus to the center of the lens. So this is known as focal length. It is in the option B. 27 answer is option B. Question number 28. The given figure is showing, so this figure, this is your focal length. So converging of light rays. Converging means when the light ray passes through a lens or a mirror and it meets at a same single point. It meets at a single point. This is known as converging of light rays. And here it is happening. This diverging means when the light rays comes and it just move away from each other. Then it is known as diverging. Okay. So 28th answer will be option A. Question number 29. From which one of the following you will always get a virtual erect and the same size of the object image. So same size will be obtained in the plane mirror only. The 29 answer is option C. Question number 30. Image that can be obtained on screen. Virtual image? No, virtual image could not be casted on the screen. Real image can be casted on the screen. You can see the image of this candle can be casted on this board. This is the screen. So real image can be casted. So 38th answer will be option B. Question number 31. Which one of the following is the SI unit of potential difference? So potential difference SI unit is volt. 31 answer is C. You can note down in your notebook. Ampere is the SI unit of current. Ohm is the SI unit of resistance. And meter is the SI unit of length. Okay. Question number 32. A person is standing 2.5 meter from a plane mirror. How far is the image from the person? So from the person, it is away 2.5. The image will form 2.5 meter behind the mirror. So total will be 2.5 plus 2.55 meter. That's why answer will be C. 32nd answer is option C. Question number 33. A ray of light is incident on plane mirror and angle of incidence is 80 degree. Calculate the angle between incident ray and reflected ray. Actually, angle of incidence is the incident ray and the normal plane. This is your 80 degree. And we know that as per the law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. That is your 80 degree. And the sum of this two angle will be 160 degree. It is in the option number C. 33 answer will be option C. Question number 34. Radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 8 centimeter. What is the focal length of the concave mirror? We know that the radius of curvature R equal to 2 into focal length. So F equal to R by 2. So radius of curvature is given 8 to divide by 2. That is your 4 centimeter. It is in the option number B. The 34 answer will be option B. Question number 35. The distance between focus and center of curved mirror is known as. Focus and center of curved mirror is known as from this focal length. Option B. 35th answer is option B. Question number 36. Magnifying lens is a dash lens. I think you have seen this magnifying glass. है ना? So this is your converging lens. This is your converging lens. 36 answer is option B. That's why the image formed is the magnified. Question number 37. Power of a lens. The power of a lens is 1 by F. Power of a lens can be calculated as 1 upon focal length. C. 37 answer is option C. Question number 38. Phenomenon of advanced sunrise and delayed sunset is due to. Advanced sunrise means The sun is below the horizon like this, but if we see, it looks like above the horizon, means we can see the sun without reaching on this position. Okay, so why it happens? Due to the refraction of the light. Actually, due to the refraction of the light rays bending and it reaches to our eyes earlier than the sunrise. Okay, so 38 answer will be option B. Question number 39. Look at the following figure and find the position of the image. So you can see the object is kept away after the center of curvature and the line is matching here. The object is forming in between center of curvature and focus. ठीक है, तो at pole wrong, at focus wrong, between focus and center of curvature yes. 39 answer will be option C. Question number 14. Scientists who showed white light is made up of 7 colors was Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton is known as the father of physics also. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.